Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Fintech Elite, a channel dedicated to financial management, investment analysis, and smart decision making using technology. We all invest to grow our money, but do you really know how your investments are doing right now? So, today I will show an auto portfolio tracker using Google Sheets. This tracker fetches live data directly from National Stock Exchange and updates the values automatically. As you can see, the data fetched at 23:25 hours. This portfolio tracker shows live stock values from NSE for the selected stocks in the portfolio tracker, thus saving time and avoiding unnecessary scrolling. In this way, you can track multiple stocks on a single platform. This consists of net asset, timestamp of last update, tracker table, portfolio data with bar graph and pie chart for easy understanding. This tracker table displays investment details, live prices, and automatically calculates profit or loss in one place. As you can see in this table, right now there are 5 stocks, and you can see the performance of all of your stocks together. If I will take one of the stock, that is Cipla, the current price right now, that is 1334.73, and it is being fetched directly from NSE. And for 15 share of this Cipla at buy price of 1100, the current value will be 20,021, and this current value is calculated by using formula by multiplying current value with the quantity. In same way, buy value is calculated by multiplying the buy price with the quantity. And we can check the loss or profit of our stock also by subtracting buy value from the current value. So in this way, we can calculate the loss or profit percentage of our stocks. Right now, at 15 shares of the Cipla at buy price of 1100, this stock is giving 21.3% of profit. This green color means the stock is going and showing profit, and red color means it is going and loss. So in place of these 5 stocks, if you want to check performance of other stocks from the script only on this table, that also you can do. As in place Cipla, if you will select HDFC Bank, so you can see the stock name and the current price will be fetched from the NSE, and the complete data will be changed. You can see, and in the same way, you can check the other stocks also. Even if you want to increase or decrease the number of stocks in your this table, for example, I want to increase my stocks from 5 to 6, then I will insert one row below, then I will select, scroll down, select it, and now you will see the number of stocks will be 6. Now in place Reliance, you can choose any other stock, like I have taken SBI. So you will see the complete data, the complete information is changed in this table. So in this way, you can easily keep watch on your investments at single platform. For better graphical representation of this data, there is one graph chart also. So this graph chart is showing which of your stock is performing well and which of your stock is underperforming. The blue color is showing current value, yellow color is showing buy value, and purple color is showing loss of profit. If I will take Cipla, so right now the Cipla current value is more than the buy value. That's why this stock is in profit. The purple bar is going towards upside of this zero line. If I will talk about Wipro, the purple bar is going downside of this zero line. It means this stock is right now in loss of minus 9,723. Even there are 6 stocks right now. If I will again change the stocks from 6 to 5, you can see the number of stocks are changed in this bar graph also. In same way, in pie chart, it is showing the percentage or weightage of your stocks in your complete portfolio. As right now, TCS is 41.4% of your total portfolio. ITC is 9.3% of your total portfolio. And in same way, you can calculate the weightage of your stocks in your portfolio. So in this way, you can easily keep watch on your investments and save your time. If you found this video helpful, so please like and subscribe it. Comment below if you want step-by-step tutorial of making of this tracker. Thank you so much for watching.